All right, so let's look at this first problem. Okay, we're took a 0.145 kilogram baseball that was thrown from a height of 1.5 meters to a height of 14.5 meters. All right, what this equation should have said is this change in potential energy is equal to the mass times the acceleration due to gravity. Now, luckily with this class, we don't have to get all wrapped around the axle. Well, my upper level, my algebra-based physics class and the calculus-based physics, they get wrapped around. They go, well, what happened to the negative sign of g? Because acceleration is always down. Not in this case, because it's a scalar quantity. So we're just taking the magnitude of it. So it went from mgh. So 9 point. So the mass of the baseball times 9.8 times its change in height. They should have had a change in height. So let's just calculate what that change in gravitational potential energy is going to be of that baseball. So let's take a quick peek. This won't take long. I know that the baseball is mass, so 0.145 kilograms. The change in height was between 14.5 meters was the final height, which is equal to, and then the initial height was equal to 1.5 meters. So the change in height will be 14.5 minus 1.5 meters. Okay, so the change in gravitational potential energy, I call it GPE. They just call it PE. And it'll be fine for this course because I don't think we're not going to have time to get to the elastic potential there. That's when we smoosh a screen and let it go. Because what does potential energy mean? Potential. It's got potential to do work. It is potential to do work. In other words, to do work. I raised that baseball from 1.5. Here's my little baseball sitting down here at 1.5 meters. I raised it up here to 13 meters to 14.5 meters. What happens now? Well, if I drop it from that height, this potential energy is going to change into kinetic energy as it falls. It's going to lose potential. You lose potential. Here's the main thing in this whole energy thing. You lose potential and gain kinetic energy. That's huge. You understand that? You've got this energy thing down. All right, but we're just going to calculate the GPE here. So I know that the potential energy then is equal to 0.145 kilograms times 9.8 times the change in height, and that is going to equal 0.145 times 9.8 times 13 is going to equal 18.473 joules. This is also in joules. That's the change in gravitational potential energy of it.